Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So here's the task. What does this sign mean? Number 1. You are driving in the wrong direction on a one-way street. Number 2. The road ahead is under construction. Number 3. U-turns are allowed here. Number 4. You're allowed to enter only with special permission. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. This sign is one of the most serious regulatory signs. It warns that you are driving against traffic, usually on a one-way road or highway off-ramp. Drivers must immediately stop, turn around and exit safely, or risk a head-on collision. So, the correct answer is number 1. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.